Yeah,
hit it. Dylan's car's a bit broke. Just like, as soon as you lost it,
oh, so good.
The cylinder was down, so that makes sense.
turbo line.
Oh, mate, you gotta watch that YouTube. Oh, bad fab. Okay, mate. Oh, part 2 of the Hayabusa build. We're here in the workshop and we have gathered for a chain-driven differential. So we've got some videos of us sealing that bad boy up.
Now it's off.
Just need a... Oh, can't see anything. Who needs a bearing puller when you have a Britten? Yeah. Okay. Diff has been pulled apart. I've made plates. They've been die grinded out because that gear's just a little bit close. They'll sit nicely on there. Conceal the diff up. Britten is nicely enough drawn us up a mount. Love that. So I'm gonna poos this up and then hope it doesn't crack. Let's go. Nice and hot.
Nice and hot, mate. Nice and hot. Look at those welds. Look at that.
No, stop looking. Stop looking.
It's just like I brought one.
It's pretty nice.
Mint weld.
We machined that to perfection to fit on there, and then we're gonna go ahead, put our bearings on.
Yep, we're gonna slip one of those bad boys on there after putting that on.
Yep. Oh, look at that.
And then that, and then go press those on.
Mean.
And then at this point, trying to cut out the housing for it, but the water jet's having a meltdown. So we're waiting for the professional, and he's going to come see if he can fix it.
So until then,
yeah, we're just going to press on some bearings. Yeah,
mean, let's get into it.
yeah. Maybe we should do them up by hand.
Some of them are alright. It's just because of the slag in there when we welded it up.
Oh, yeah.
One down.
One to go.
One to go. Lovely.
I mean, that looks professional. That's like that.
Professional, I love that. Give her a spin. Bearings workman.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate.
Oh, look at that. Now that the bearings have been pushed on, plates cut out, bolted that up. Now check it. She is looking professional. Just in the future, we'll get a flywheel, put it on here with a little starter coming across here, so we got reverse, so that hits it. We got some reverse. Yeah, boy.
Alright, I'm going to go cut the tube for here.
Yep.
Weld the washers on the end of it.
Mm-hmm.
You said you were gonna.
Yeah, I'll cut the chain, sort that out.
And then cut 35mm out of this.
Yeah, shorten that bad boy up.
And then after I've cut this and welded the washers in the end for that, I'll come back over.
Yep.
And we'll reconvene, see where we're going.
Yep.
And yeah, carry go on from there.
Make a little tabs from here to there.
Tab to there.
Mount that to our motor mounts.
Good to go.
Yep.
Alright, well let's crack into it.
I like it. Okay. So Britten's nicely made me 2 little mounts, one there, one up here. That's gonna go down yonder. Those will mount to the diff, and then from there we'll bracket them up to there to make them nice and strong. Have 2 tie roddy things off the bottom here, and that will push the diff back and forwards to tension it. Just getting a nice laser set up.
Yeah, flat.
Oh no. Not too shabby.
Too shabby? Not too shabby.
Well, bam.
Ta-da!
Look what Britten's gone and made us up a whole bunch of mounts for our diff to mount to the engine, and this can actually rotate.
Yeah, that'll rotate on there.
So the whole diff will be able to. Just got to work out the tie roddy things for down here.
But I think we've got a plan for that. So
Yeah, we've got a pretty good plan.
That bit'll go on there,
That'll go there.
and then the tie rods will go in between that point and that point.
Yep.
And then we're going to tie this. We're going to have a little, like a 10mm little, I don't know, washer thing you could call on the end of here.
Yep.
That's going to tie down into that one, and then tie back up to here to keep that all stiff,
Awesome.
but still allow that to.
Rotate. Yeah. I like that plan.
That's going to be mean.
She's looking good.
Looks like professionals have done it.
Yeah. Progress update. Check this out. Britten's made us some little tensioning dealios. So we give that, obviously they're not finally fitted, we've got to clear some bit of clearancing, but yeah, the idea is you do those bolts up, pushes that out,
which tensions the chin.
tensions the chain, yeah, and then
this little doohickey is going to go pretty much down there like that. And then that'll go to that one.
yep,
That one will come down to that one.
which still allows that to rotate for our
Yeah.
tensioning dealios.
But then it keeps a nice grip on the outsides of these.
Yeah, so they don't,
Yeah.
Together.
Spin around or do anything silly.
but yeah,
One
Chain
driven diff.
look at that, it's all nicely lined up with the laser.
With a laser even.
Look at that. Just gotta put that master link in. Oh.
It'll be good.
And we're good to go.
Actually, it's like pristine.
Check it out. More power. More power. So then,
Obviously, it's not sitting on there right because
No.
clearance at the bottom of that, but
but once it is, it'll be nice. And then it'll just be getting our old transmission, stealing that mount, relocating it roughly here. I think it's on this side.
yeah.
And that will set the position of the diff. And then from
we'll
there,
figure out where the motor goes.
yeah,
Well, we already know where it goes. We just need to
make the mounts from
for
these.
one on this side,
Yep,
and then yeah,
job done.
job done. It'll be mounted at the back of the diff, off both sides.
Maybe one
Then
towards the
try and
front.
do something off the front from here,
Yeah,
come down to the bottom or something.
but yeah, it's a pretty
Yeah.
good day's of work.
Yeah, I'm
Couple
pretty
days
great with
got
that.
us a change driven
Yeah.
diff.
That's mint. That actually looks pretty good.
Oh, I'm really
pretty stoked.
chuffed.
I'm pretty stoked with how it looks. So
Yeah, just a couple of touch ups for a little bit of the adjustment bits, and
hopefully,
we'll be late. We're laughing.
and the next one will be like driving the diff under the Hayabusa's own power. So.
In the engine bay.
In the engine bay.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
goal.
And at that point, we're like another video away from it moving under its own power. So
Quite
yeah,
literally just doing clutch, shifter,
that's it.
brakes, little
Brakes,
odds and
yeah.
ends like that with the fuel.
But yeah,
Should be running.
that's what we mean.
Hey.
I hope you enjoy. Catch us later.
Later.
Oh, mate, you got to watch our YouTube. Oh, Bad Fab.